welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we'll be making some green, creamy, mushroom chicken enchiladas, or you could call them however you want. Cream enchiladas, green enchiladas, but they're delicious. So the ingredients will be tomatillos. I usually put 4, but these were very tiny, so we have 6 of them. I have a little bit of cilantro, 3 serrano peppers. Serrano peppers, up to you how spicy you want it. And then we have tortillas, corn tortillas, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 of the cans of the cream of mushroom, some mozzarella cheese, or you could use any kind of cheese that you like that's white, that melts. And then we have some shredded chicken. It can either be cooked chicken, or you could use the roasted chicken if you have any extra, or buy it. And let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook the tomatillos. I already had the water boiling, and I'm gonna go ahead and put our 3 serrano peppers, and we'll let this cook like for 5 minutes or until the tomatillos change color. Okay, what we're gonna go ahead and do is fry our corn tortillas 30 seconds on each side. So as you can see, the tomatillos already changed color, so we already turned them off. Just go ahead and put them aside. Let's go ahead and take all of them out. Okay, so once we have our tortillas fried, let's go ahead and blend this. The sour cream. The cream of mushroom. And then throw in the cilantro. And then right here you have options. You could either add 1 can of water of the cream of mushroom into it. You could add 1 can of milk. Or if you have chicken broth, you could use chicken broth. I do have chicken broth because I am cooking chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and put chicken broth. Put the chicken broth. Okay, so I already blended this. Let me remove this, because one time I actually forgot. And this is done. You could either pour it like this or put it through the strainer. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it through the strainer, just because I'm extra like that and like to do extra work. But you don't really need to do this. And if you wanted more green, you could just add more cilantro or more chiles, more tomatillo. I don't like to put too much tomatillo because it could get a little bitter. See why I like to do it? Look. So we have it here. I'm gonna go ahead and add another cream of mushroom without blending it, just because I want those little pieces of mushroom in there. And just mix it. So you see it got more thick, and you can see the little mushrooms in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's very good. If you think it needs more salt, go ahead and add salt. Or if you want to add some of the consomé de pollo, the chicken bouillon, you could go ahead and do so. For me, it's perfect. I'm going to leave it like that. But if you feel it's too tasty, and if you feel it needs more, you just add a little bit and mix it again. What we're going to do now is put a layer of our sauce in one of our pans. So we're gonna go ahead and start rolling up our enchiladas, and we're gonna put some chicken, and then you could put cheese. We're gonna roll them up. Then layer them. So once we already rolled them up and we layered them, oh look, there's a piece of chicken. That's good. Let's put more sauce on top. And then let's add another layer of yummy, yummy, yummy cheese. And I did preheat the oven to 350. So then we're gonna go ahead and put them in the oven so all our cheese come out and they could cook from the inside. So here we have them. I already took them out of the oven. I did leave them for 30 minutes just because I wanted the cheese to be a little crispy. And this looks so yummy and it smells very good. So I have a little bit of chopped cilantro here. I wanted to actually put green onions on top, but I did not have any. So I guess just the cilantro will do. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We had came to the end of the video. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to share and don't forget to hit that bell so you could get all the notifications every time we upload a video. And don't leave until you check out at the end of the video which recipes we leave at the end, so maybe you could get ideas of doing something else. But for today, let's dig in on the enchiladas. These smell so good, you guys. Oh my God, you guys, these are so good. Go ahead and give them a try. And any recipes that you do, go ahead and tag us on Instagram. We will leave our Instagram down below in the description along with all the ingredients. And I will also leave how to cook chicken if you're gonna cook your own chicken so your chicken can get a good flavor. But for right now, that's it. And let me continue eating. See you next time. Bye.